Hi guys, how you doing? It's Dr. Femi from the Print Haven. Today I'll be talking to us about the importance of end of year gifting for your clients. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, like our video, leave a comment under the video, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified once we post a video. So as I said earlier, we're going to be talking about the importance of end of year gifting for your clients. Most people have their end of year towards the month of December, even though it varies depending on when they're less busy or when the company is registered. But as I said, most people have their end of year in December, which also coincides with Christmas. So you're like killing two birds with one stone when you're giving gifts for the Christmas season and also giving gifts for the end of year. One of the important reasons why you want to give gifts at the end of year is to show your appreciation to your clients. A lady, Anne Frank, once said that you can never become poor by giving. So if you think that, you're spending so much money on giving end of year gifts, the money comes back to you in multiple folds. And remember, God says he loves a cheerful giver. So it's important to always give. As I said, you're showing appreciation to your clients. They've given you business throughout the year. They have sent referrals your way. You've had some meetings with your clients where you come out feeling so inspired, come up with so many ideas that help you build your personal brand and also help you build your company. So all in all, there's a lot of good coming out of your relationship with your clients, and you want to show them appreciation. Now, another important point is that you will experience continued patronage when you give gifts to your clients. Why? Because they'll remember that you gave them gifts. There's a feel-good feeling that human beings get from getting or receiving gifts. So you want to remain top of mind, because when, for example, somebody is looking for a company that caters, that you can cater to, they remember you. They won't remember the people that they've not had constant contact with. So continued patronage is a given, and you're not even spending as much on a separate marketing budget, because this client is still patronizing you and also referring you to other people. Another important point to note is that you're building positive relationships. It is important to have positive relationships with your clients. I always say that, referral, word of mouth marketing is the best form of marketing. If I am able to say, go to this company for this service or this product, because the human contact is there, it's more legitimate, because obviously if I'm referring that company, that means I have patronized that company in the past. So you want to have that, you just want to have positive vibes around all your relationship with your clients, and gift giving is one of the best ways to build that relationship. Now, another important point is to give personalized gifts. This is our superpower here at the Print Haven, where you put the person's name or the person's initials on the gifts that you want to give them. It goes a long way. Guess what? They will not give out that gift. Now, when you give a personalized gift, and that gift is catered towards their interest, towards what they like, towards what the individual likes, you have scored the best points with that person. Going back to my third point about positive relationships. Now, another important point is the packaging. The packaging is so important. How you present the gift. For example, you can print on a ribbon. You can actually print a message on a ribbon. You can print the names on a ribbon. That personal touch is still very important. You can also include a handwritten note in your packaging. It shows that you're very intentional. It shows that you care about them. It shows that you have taken out a bit of your busy time, or you've taken out time from your busy schedule to actually write out a note. All these things are very subtle messages to show your clients that you care, and that is what gifting is all about. You just don't want to give like a generic gift that you assume they will like. Now, in all of this, when you're packaging the gifts, remember that your company is also important. You want to use your parts of your brand elements to package the box, and you also want to remember to put your logo on the gift items. Don't ever forget that, because how would they remember that you're the one that gave them the gift? I hope these pointers have helped in your options for your end of year gifting. If you need our assistance at the Print Haven, we're ready to provide our services. Please remember to join our WhatsApp community and also remember to join our Telegram community. Bye guys.